Hey, Rex. Oh, starting off with a bang, are we? All right, let's see this sit pretty he's got going on. More like a stand pretty. Oh, there we go. Good boy, Rex. Okay, Rex has to stay off the treat until Jane gives the signal. He's a little excited, so. Okay, interest in. We're gonna try this again. He's really hyper today. It takes him a little bit longer to get his treat good. Oh, here we go. Good boy. Staying off. And now he can take it. Good boy, Rex. Woo! Good boy.
You're so full of